Research has indicated that thinner blood may improve your overall circulation. The heart has to work harder to move thicker blood around the body. And if there is a blockage, it could cause blood pressure to rise, which can result in damage to other organs like the heart, eyes, brain, and intestines. You do not need to have heart disease to enjoy the benefits of thinner blood, and nor do you have to take anticoagulants, which may have some serious side effects. Extensive studies have revealed that there are certain foods that act as natural blood thinners that may help to keep blood from clustering together and forming dangerous clots. Health experts agree that a heart-healthy diet must include fresh fruit, vegetables, healthy oils, and healthy proteins. For the best results, this diet should limit the intake of high-fat, high cholesterol, and high-sugar foods. 1. Vitamin E foods such as almonds, spinach, sweet potato, avocados, and especially butternut squash are rich in vitamin E content. Vitamin E has several anti-clotting compounds which can act as an effective and natural blood thinner. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is rated as one of the healthiest oils which combat free radicals that cause harm and inflammation in the body. This helps to thin the blood and reduce inflammation, which is known to thicken the blood and can cause a clot in an inflamed vein. 3. Red wine. Some studies have rendered results that a glass of red wine per day may help to prevent heart disease by thinning the blood. However, don't overdo it, as research has also shown that this powerful, natural blood thinner could raise your risk of extra bleeding in the case of an injury or accident. 4. Ginger is a spice that is obtained from the root of the plant. It has an array of health benefits but is mostly used for many types of stomach problems like nausea, indigestion, as well as intestinal cramps and inflammation. The blood thinning factor in ginger is derived from the presence of a chemical known as salicylate, a major ingredient in aspirin, a potent blood thinning drug. 5. Salmon. This is one of the fish types that are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help lower cholesterol, as well as reduce the chances of a blood clot. Others include tuna, trout, and mackerel. 6. Garlic has been used for many years as a medicinal herb in many countries worldwide because of its blood-thinning properties. Garlic has many other health benefits, such as helping to combat high blood pressure, lowering bad cholesterol, and fighting against thrombosis by reducing the clumping together of blood platelets. Kelp and several other seaweed products can benefit sufferers of high blood pressure, as it is a natural anticoagulant and helps the heart to work easier. 7. Turmeric. This yellow-colored spice has been used as folk medicine by Eastern nations for hundreds of years. The main ingredient in turmeric, known as curcumin, provides most of the health benefits, which include helping to prevent clots from forming by reducing platelets sticking together. 8. Cayenne peppers are regarded as one of the most powerful natural blood thinners because of the very high content of the chemical salicylate. Cayenne peppers may also lower high blood pressure and greatly improves blood circulation to the extremities. The best way to take cayenne peppers is by means of supplements in capsule form, or can be ground up and used as a spice in food.